In today's video, I'm going to show you Paperless ngx Review 2026 Best Open Source Document Management and OCR. Paperless ngx is a legitimate and actively maintained open source document management system that excels at helping you digitize, organize, and search both scanned and digital documents without relying on commercial cloud services. It runs on your own server using Docker and employs the open source Tesseract OCR engine to recognize text in images and PDFs, making documents fully searchable and easier to manage with tags, correspondence, and metadata. Its modern web interface supports drag and drop uploads, full text search with autocomplete, customizable dashboards, and multiple import methods, including email or hot folder monitoring, which makes it suitable for personal use, small businesses, or teams that value data sovereignty. Unlike proprietary systems that charge ongoing fees, Paperless ngx is free under the GPL3 license and stores all data locally, so nothing is transmitted to third-party servers unless you explicitly configure it to do so. It also supports PDF or A archiving for long-term compliance and can handle a variety of document formats. Real-world community feedback shows a mix of opinions. Many users praise its OCR search and tagging features for making large document libraries easy to navigate, while others note that OCR accuracy and auto-classification can vary by document quality and that setup and maintenance require some technical know-how. The interface and workflow aren't always described as polished compared with commercial products, but for a self-hosted solution, it remains powerful and flexible. In summary, Paperless ngx is one of the strongest open-source document management and OCR solutions available in 2026. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.